Welcome to our tutorial on updating your password in the Orbitz app. Whether you're enhancing your account security or simply need a change, this guide will walk you through the process, step by step. We'll cover how to access your account settings and update your password directly within the app. First, open the Orbitz app on your smartphone. Next, tap on the account icon located at the bottom right. Then, select the Profile section from the menu. After that, look at My Account Info section. Next, choose Email and Password. Now, enter your current password to verify your identity. This step is crucial for security purposes. Following that, input your new password. Make sure it's strong and unique to enhance your account's security. Next, retype the new password to confirm accuracy. This helps prevent any typos or errors. Finally, tap on the Save button to update your password. You'll receive a confirmation that your password has been successfully changed. By following these steps, you can ensure your personal information remains protected. Remember to choose a strong, unique password and keep it confidential.